Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of an ultrasonic cleaner from a company called DADI. This is the DA968 model. It comes with a 6-foot long power cord with a standard 120 volt US plug on there, and it has 0.6 of a liter of capacity, and it's a stainless steel tank and cover. And I have a magnet that I use, a calibrated magnet, and you can see that it's not adhering to that, so that means that it is stainless steel, so that's good. 0.6 liter. The tank is about 6.3 by 3.1 by 1.5 inches depth. This has a 30 watt or 50 watt selection right here, and the timer varies for those different selections. The 30 watt selection, it'll go 1 to 60 minutes, and the 50 watt will go 1 to 30 minutes because they're assuming you need less time. Now keep in mind, these cleaners generate warmth and high frequency vibrations, typically above 30 kilohertz, so it's out of the hearing range. That's ultrasonic cleaners actually work. They do a really nice job. So I'm going to plug this in. I've got a 120 volt plug right here. You can see the unit came on. And I'm going to show you the inside tank right now. So I have some water, and I have some laundry detergent. I have some Dawn dish soap in there, which I found works really nicely for cleaning. So what I'm going to clean, I'm going to show you just as an example. You can use this for anything that you want to clean. I have a piece of jewelry right here that I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it has these nooks and crannies in there, and it gets a lot of dirt and skin and things like that in there. So we're gonna put that in here, and we're gonna clean that up. Now the way this works is I'm gonna go with the 50 watts, and you see the display right there went to 1. Every time you hit it, it's gonna advance it by a minute. So I'm going to put in the full 30 minutes and then hit the power button. Now you can see how it's working. You can see it swirling around, and high frequency vibrations are going on that piece of jewelry. And you can see the bubbles oxidizing a little bit there, and you see some of the soap and whatever's on here is swirling around. So we're going to take a temperature measurement, and we're going to see what temperature this is at right now. You got a temperature gauge right here. So right now the water's at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to let that run. We're going to see if the water temperature increases. We're going to come back and we're going to let it run for the 30 minutes, but we're going to check the temperature in about 25 minutes to see how it's doing. And then we're going to look at the overall cleaning it did of this ring. So it's almost finished, and you could see a lot of the dirt and grime that it's removed. And let's take a look at the temperature. So you can see it's 99 degrees Fahrenheit, so it went up considerably. So that's one of the reasons why this cleans so well. Not only does it use ultrasonics, which you can feel in the water and you can see, but it also increases the temperature of the fluid. So let's take this out and take a look at it. Turn this off right here. And let's take the men's ring out of here. And it looks very clean. Now it's hard to tell, but all those little nooks and crannies there are all clean right now. There was all kinds of black in there, and now that's all gone. It looks really nice and shiny and perfect. So what do I think about this device, this DADI DA-968 ultrasonic cleaner? I really like it. It's very versatile. I've used it now for a couple of months. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.